Hey, I've got some really posh biscuits. Alright, welcome along to Joe Reviews. Today, I've got some posh biscuits and I picked them up from Tesco. And here they are, Tesco's finest, rich and lavish stem ginger and chocolate shortbread. There's the pack. Looks alright, doesn't it? We've even got a little star on the top there. Nice metally kind of tin. And they cost £4. So there you go. It's got here, it says serving suggestion. Don't know what that's all about. I was just going to get it, shove it in my gob and eat it. But if there's a serving suggestion, I'm all up for that. So let's see what that is. Just peel this off and it'll, I hope. So I'm failing at the first hurdle. Or does it mean underneath? It's got a little thing here. It says, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what the serving suggestion is, so there you go. Anyway, let's crack them open and have a look. I can't even get into them. What's going on here? Right, we're in. Is that what I'm getting for £4? How many did we get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll tell you what, at 50p a biscuit, they better be really good, because I think they're taking the Jackson a bit. Anyway, let's crack them open and have a look. Picked these up on the Christmas aisle in Tesco, by the way. Ooh. They smell very orangey. They do smell orangey. Doesn't say there's orange in them though. Anyway, what's Tesco saying about these? It's saying these melt in the mouth all butter shortbreads are packed with Belgian chocolate chips and stem ginger, enrobed in milk chocolate and sprinkled with crystallized ginger for an indulgent festive treat made by our specialists with more than 40 years experience. I hope they're in date then. 40 years? Anyway, let's try one. There it is, there's the biscuit. Looks alright, doesn't it, to be fair? Should be for 50p a biscuit. Can't really taste the ginger. It's just a bit of a chalky biscuit, really. To be fair, I wouldn't be disappointed if you just gave me a chocolate digestive. It's not much different. So, yeah, they're alright. Would I go out my way to buy them? No. So, there you go. Thanks a lot, Tesco. Anyway, smash a like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.